Well, hey y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I am Susan, your hostess, and today we're going to be showing you this product. We're doing a product review for Tingmengte. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a chainsaw. It is made in China. It is a 6-inch chainsaw, a little handheld chainsaw. So inside this case, it comes packed like this. We have used it. You're going to see us using it here in a moment. It comes with an instruction manual that is very well written, I think. In this kit, it includes an empty oil bottle. Now, this is the only issue I really have with this, is they do not include the oil in this. It comes with a 6-inch chainsaw with a safety cover. A pair of safety glasses, two batteries. These are two 24-volt batteries. So two of those. A screwdriver. A pair of safety gloves, a charging port, and a brush. And it also comes with an additional chain for your chainsaw. It gives you a nice diagram on how to use your chainsaw right here, and how to change the chain out. It tells you about the protective personal equipment that you need. Let's see. And a very detailed step-by-step on how to use this chainsaw, which is very, very good. It does say it comes with a wrench. I did not see a wrench in here, so this package was missing the wrench. Unless they have included it in the handle of the screwdriver, which I don't think they did. So we're missing a wrench. It's lightweight. I think that I'll be able to handle it myself if I want to. It is a very well made piece of equipment that we need on our homestead. Easy to pack back in your case, which is the other nice thing, is this comes with a carrying case and little clips that just clip really easy. So there it is in the case. It tells you on the outside of it that it is made in China. Let's go outside with my husband and we're going to see how it works. My husband Walter, and we're here doing a product review. Now this is a free review. We're not paid to do this review. I want to say that on the front end. My husband's going to tell you the product that we received. So this is everything that came in the kit.
Little portable chainsaw, screwdriver, 2 batteries, safety goggles, charging port, and an oil bottle.
And then a second chain in case you need it.
This is the chainsaw. Already charged the battery. It says put oil on the chain. We'll add oil to the chain. I'll tell you how to.
The kit includes safety gloves, safety glasses, an extra battery, a cleaning brush, a screwdriver, an extra chain, a charging port, and an empty oil bottle. That was the only problem we had with this, was the bottle of oil was empty. Now we're going to go over and we're going to do some cutting with this. He's got safety glasses on, but I'm going to put on this pair. And we'll meet you at the place that we're going to work on. This is a bush that we really need to get down, so my husband's going to start working on it.
Sticky bush. It cuts pretty good. Sticky bush. That probably needs to come up.
That one's about 4 inches. He's taking a screw out. He's going to show you how to clean it. And you should always take the battery out before you clean, which he did not do. Well, y'all, my husband thinks it works pretty good. I wasn't as impressed with this as he was. It did get hung up on a couple of branches, and the chain stopped when it got hung up. He was able to get it loose and to continue working the chainsaw. If you're charging the battery, the light will be red on it. When the charging is complete, the light will turn green. Other than that, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you have enjoyed this product review, and you'll go check out Tingmengte chainsaw, 6-inch chainsaw. I will leave a link to it in the description box below. They did tell me that they would give a product code for this if you wish to purchase one yourself. And I thank you everybody for watching. May you be fully blessed.